Hi YouTube, this is FrencheMarron coming to you with another hair review, so stay tuned. So yeah guys, this video is actually overdue. I am reviewing this crochet hair that I actually installed 3 weeks ago. I am like overdue. This hair is almost done. I think I might wear it for another week or so, but I feel like I have to make a review on this hair. So this is a hair company that I have never actually heard of. I haven't seen any hair reviews on it or anything. I just found it at my local beauty supply store, and this is the hair right here. These crochet braids, they're called Braid Collection Angels 2X double pack. I don't really know who. Oh, actually it says Motown Tress. Motown Tress. I have heard of this hair company actually, but I never heard of this hair where I don't even know this collection. I haven't really heard of it. It's called the Angels Braid Collection. I'm gonna write it down right here because I don't know what it's called because there's so many wording and stuff. I don't know what the real name is, but I do know it's from Motown Tress. I don't know if you guys could see this. But yeah, these are crochet braids and box braids. The lengths are, I think, 20 inches. It says it right there. 20 inches in length, and I got it in the color TV 27, and I also got it in TV 30. I got one or two, I don't remember. I got 2 packs of T1B 30, and then 3 packs of T1B 27. Sorry. So I needed to do a hair review on this because I haven't found any, and I feel like people deserve to hear the honest opinion about this hair. So it's not really that much pros and cons. They're just regular box braids, and I got it in the ombre style where it's a little darker and then lighter on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. And I used 3 packs of hair. I didn't even use all 5 packs. I used 3. I believe I used T1B 27 and then 1 pack of T1B 30. So that's why you see it like giving it a little effect. Like right here is lighter than right here, and that's because of the color. Not only that, so what I did, I braided my real hair around the crown area. So all right here, the sides, the back, all that. I thought I was gonna be able to put this hair up because it does say lightweight or feather light. So I expected to put the hair up. But I haven't put the hair up yet, and I don't think I will, but and I wish I knew I wasn't, so I didn't have to waste so much time trying to braid my hair up. But okay, so the pros about this hair, I'm gonna start with the pros. The pros about this hair is that I love the color, and another thing is that I love is the ends. Not a lot of braiding crochet hair would twist the ends, and I thought that was, let me see if I can zoom into my forehead. Let's see if it'll focus. Maybe if I get out the picture. Okay, so it's not focusing anyway, but the ends are like twisted, like what is it called, Senegalese twist. They're twisted on the bottom, and then the rest is braided, so that secures the hair and locks it, making sure that it doesn't come out. And I really thought that was nice, and I think the color, I like the design, like how it is. I was twist on the bottom, and you can see more of the color more because it is twisted. You see, I love the tone effect, the ombre effect on this hair. So this hair, I can say that it lasts a long time, but they are braids. Like, I don't expect anything to be magnificent or ironic or anything with this hair. I just expect it to be braids. Like I said, I did braid my own hair, so that's why you see a little black right here, and then the colors, which I thought was pretty cool. It looks nice like this. Okay, so now for the cons. I honestly could say that there's only one con, and let me show you real quick. So I got one of the strands of hair, or one of the braids, just to demonstrate what I'm talking about, because I know everyone's gonna be a little confused. But this hair is kind of hard to put in. Like, it's easy, but it's hard. Because I'm so used to when you have like certain crochet braids, like the braid, box braids, or Senegalese twist. It's like a little pre-loop. Is that what it's called? Pre-loop? Pre-looped. It's usually pre-looped, that way it's easier to put it in your hair and then pull it out. But with this hair probably pulled out my real hair, honestly. But you see this? There's no pre-loop on there. So when I tell you it's so difficult to put this in, and I'm afraid that when I take my hair out, I'm probably gonna have damage because of this. Look at that. Like, there's no way to even pull that. Like, you really have to like pull. What I did, you have to pull the hair like that, like open it up like the loop, and then put the crochet needle in, and then kind of stick the hair and then put it through. But you see how hard it is for me to even do it like that, to the point that when you pull it, hold on, let me do this real quick to show you. Okay, so I got it right here. To pull it, now imagine this being your head. So now you gotta hold the tip and pull it, and then watch this giant loop. You see this giant loop it leaves you with? Now that's how it is on my hair. So I feel like I see little frillies right here, like you see. I feel like the crochet braids kind of ripped my hair out. Like, you see, they're short. My hair is up to here, and look how short this is, and there's a whole bunch of them. And it's not because this is an old 3-week hairstyle, it's because of the loop. Like, look how thick right here is. Like, I don't know if you can see that. You see how thick that loop is? No, I just went through with it. Sorry. I just continued to put it in my hair because I believe I paid like almost 40 bucks for this hair, and I need to use it. I'm not gonna let 40 bucks waste, but it did. I feel like it did damage my hair. I won't know completely until I take that hair out. I will say that it says that it's itch free. I will say that's true. Like, I'm not itchy, I'm not breaking out or anything. I don't know what kind of hair. Oh, it says Kinkalon. Kinkalon? You guys know what I'm talking about. Kinkalon, Canikalon. It is that kind of hair, so it doesn't break me out. Like, it is featherweight. Like, it is light. I'm surprised because the last box braids I had, or was it Senegalese twist? It should be one of my videos. I don't remember. When it was in black, that one was really heavy to the point my neck was like, and I even said it in my video that, you know, like, it was kind of heavy. My neck was like this the whole time, and sleeping was difficult. This hair is very light, but I don't know if it's because I only use 3 packs, or is it because it is actually light. But yeah, that's really all I can say about this hair. I am ready to take it out. It's been 3 weeks. I'm debating if I should leave it in for 1 more week because I really want to know what's going on with my hair underneath. but we'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.